Want to go from this to this? Stay tuned. One of the bulbs on the back of my 2012 Honda Pilot just went out. This tutorial will work for 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilots. When one of the bulbs go out, the other one isn't too far behind, so I just replace these bulbs in pairs. What you'll need are two 194 bulbs. I splurged and opted for the SYLVANIA SilverStars this time. These were $11, while the standard SYLVANIA bulbs are $6. I'll put links to both in the description below. The only additional item you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver. Alright, two bulbs are used for the license plate. Make note of the orientation of these little drain holes. You're going to put them in the same direction. And what you're going to do is you're going to use a flathead screwdriver and pry out the lens. And that exposes the 194 bulbs, and you just have to wiggle these guys out. And with clean hands, we're going to insert the new bulb. And turn on the lights to confirm that the new bulb is working as designed. And I'm going to clean out these lenses a bit and also confirm that these water drain holes aren't plugged up. Alright, now we're just going to reinstall the lens. The drain hole is facing towards the back. Insert the left side and push in on the right. And as I mentioned earlier, I like to do these in pairs. So pry from the outside in to remove the cover. And remove the bulb. And with clean hands, insert the new bulb. And now let's replace the lens. And then confirm that both the bulbs turn on. And later on this evening, I'll take some nighttime shots so we could compare the old and the new bulbs. These new bulbs are definitely brighter and easier to see. I'll put links to these bulbs in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.